Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, snipping tool not closing after screenshot. Fix it now. First method is turn off. Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Second method is end task snipping tool app. Third method is reset and repair snipping tool app. Fourth method is delete snipping tool app from startup. Fifth method is reinstall snipping tool app. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.